Hey, what up guys? This is Shane Roberson here from Integrity Web Studios. Today's video is dedicated to Miss Annie, who basically needs to learn how to do some basic updates to the website. Essentially, we're just going to log in to the back end of our website and go through and update any outdated plugins and or themes if applicable. Now we're using my personal website, but this works with any and all WordPress websites. Okay. First thing we're going to do is go to the top and get to our admin page. Right, and then we'll log in. And once we're on the back end, you'll notice that we're going to have some red numbers next to certain areas. This means one of two things. Either there's an update, there's the number of updates that are available, or in this case it's just a message that the plugin is sending you. So with the topic at hand, making updates, there's two ways to do this, right? We can click into dashboard and go to updates, and you'll see here that we have 3 plugins. Now one of the things that needs to be updated is probably from the web host, which is a little bit different, and we don't need to worry about that. It'll get taken care of by itself. But whenever we go to updates, we see that there's 4, and we see we have 3 here. One way you can do this is select all and just simply click update plugins. Right? That's fast and easy. However, I do not recommend this for clients who aren't familiar with WordPress. The reason why is every now and then, on occasion, newer plugins can cause a crash or an issue with the website. And what is best is if you go into the plugins section, and you'll notice here that there are some updates. Right? It's going to stand out. I have an orange tab. And we have this in 3 different sections. Now this here is just an error message, basically because I disabled my securities plugin so that I could show you guys this stuff, which will be re-enabled once I finish. But for our purposes, again, essentially we're going to simply make an update. I've already made backups to this, so no thanks, I already did this. If you did not, go ahead and make a backup. That's always the first and most valuable thing that you can do. You can never have enough backups. This one here, not even active, but we're going to go ahead and update it now. Right. That's it, guys. It's super simple, and it's an absolute must for the security of your website. It will do everything for you. The reason that I tell clients specifically that are unfamiliar with WordPress to come in here and do them one by one is you run it, then you can check the front end, make sure everything is okay, then come back and go to your next one. You run it, then you go to the front end and make sure everything is okay. I just kind of ran through for the speed of the video to kind of get you a visual of what needs to be done, but the only thing you're going to do different is simply check the website in between your updates to make sure nothing is wrong. 99.9% of the times there's never going to be an issue, but if there is an issue, you know exactly which plugin you are updating that caused the issue, and at that point we could simply revert that plugin, remove it, or at least we know where the problem is. So as always, like, subscribe, and share. If you have any questions or comments, please hit me in the comment section and I'll get back to you. Thank you so much. Hope this helps, Miss Annie. Bye.